In this lesson, you will learn how to lay out your fabric for the pillow creatures. In order to do this, though, you will need to work with your pattern directions closely because everyone is making a different pillow. So unless someone else is making a monkey or someone else is making a frog, you will have different patterns than everyone else. The first thing that you need to do is pick out your patterns. Now, you will need, I am making the frog, so I will be choosing the patterns for mine. If you're making another pillow creature, of course you will pick out those patterns. I need one main pattern body for the frog. I need frog arms and legs. And I need frog's eyes. Now, why do I have one pattern for this, two for the arms and legs, and two for the eyes? Well, the next thing you need to do is look at how many it says to cut. So for instance, when it says to cut 2, I need one pattern. If it says to cut 4, I need 2 patterns. And if it says to cut 4, I need 2 patterns. So that is your first indication of what you need to pick out. The next thing you need to do is prepare your fabric. Now, I have a print fabric, so I looked to see what was the right side. And my right side is this brighter side, and also I can tell because if I look at the Joann Fabrics writing, it is going the right way. I can read Joann's. Normally, fabric, when we lay it out, the right sides are on the inside. But for purposes of marking for our pillow creature, we are going to lay the fabric with the right side on the outside. So what you need to do is take your 2 selvage edges and fold it in half and have the edges even. Then the next thing you want to do is take your fabric and make sure that you do get out any big folds or wrinkles in the bottom layer. If you don't do this, then you're going to have one pattern piece bigger than the other pattern piece. Now, the next thing that you need to do is either use the sample pillow in the back of the room as an example to see what goes on what fabric, and also to look at the pattern directions again. For the frog, we are going to take one main body, lay it down near the selvage, not on the selvage, and close to the edge, but not on the edge, again, in case your layers are cut different and they're not even. We are going to take 2 frog's arms and lay them up here, and then we will take 2 frog's eyes and lay them down here. Do not do any pinning until you do lay everything out and make sure that it is laid out correctly.